So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kamil Shinov, and I recently made $2 quadrillion from video editing. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can buy a Rolex in 2 hours. Now, in all seriousness, why did you click on this video? Do you want an easy way out? Do you want to know some tricks on how to get rich quick through video editing especially? Come on. What you should do instead is go and watch my other videos where I genuinely teach how to edit. And after that, you can apply these skills and get a proper job as a video editor. That's it. You shouldn't expect fast success, not just financial, as a video editor too, or any other industry. You gotta work, you gotta learn, you gotta analyze, think, use your brain, and after that, you perhaps can make some good money. But can you? Can you actually make money as a video editor in 2025? With AI, softwares like CapCut, random editors popping up everywhere all over social media. And a lot of people, based on all these things, think that the market is saturated and there's absolutely no way to become a reputable editor. So in this video, I won't give you any tips. This video is not a financial advice. This isn't any kind of advice. In this video, I'm just giving you a real talk, a reality check, But based off that, always remember to do your own research and don't take my word for it. I'll explain to you what skill set a video editor would need, which jobs actually pay, and whether it's still worth getting into right now. Let's get straight into it. Now, short answer, yes. You can make money as a video editor in 2025, but it depends. It depends on 3 things: your skill set, who your clients are, and what type of editing you focus on. Because don't believe the idea that all the editing is profitable. Not all editing is truly worth your time. Right now, in modern times, there are mainly 4 ways you can make money as a video editor. Now, these are the most common. People need video editors for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, business ads, or some videos related to some kind of course or something educational overall. Now, of course, how much you earn depends on how professional you are. Obviously, as a beginner, you'll learn the least, and as a professional, you'll earn the most. Now, I would say the most stable one is YouTube, because YouTubers are always hiring and looking for good editors, and they post weekly. So you technically will have a passive income, and how much you earn depends on your workload. Now, short form editing for apps like TikTok and Instagram, that thing exploded in 2024 and 2025 too, not gonna lie. From what I've seen and heard, this is where editors are the ones who charge per video. Now, how much money they charge varies. Remember, at the end of the day, you're the one who should know the value of your own work. And also there's this thing I've noticed this year, which is how video editors sell digital products, and there's nothing wrong with that. They sell things like presets, LUTs, transitions, editing templates, and courses where they teach the beginners on how to edit. These are also considered as passive income, I'd say, because if you truly bring value, you build it once and then you sell forever. Now, the other question people seem to ask is, does AI kill video editing? A lot of people tend to worry that AI will become so advanced that it will replace video editors completely. Now, here's the truth. AI does replace video editors, but only the ones who can offer low effort editing, not creative editing. People who understand the pacing, tell stories, improve their audio, know how to color grade, and create emotion which they can make their viewer feel through the edit will always be needed. AI isn't capable of doing all these things. AI can make video editors' work more efficient and quick, but it doesn't replace the good ones. Now, when it comes to what clients pay for, they pay for quality. They don't care about fancy or unique looking transitions or effects. They care about clean cuts, good audio, professional color correction, fast delivery, which is important, and maybe even captions if you're capable of doing them. If you know how to do all these sorts of things, you can make money as a video editor by offering value and your services. Now, if you can do all these things and offer value through your services, then you might end up finding a potential customer, who knows? But remember, as a video editor, you won't be hired if you don't have any kind of portfolio or past video editing experience to provide. You should first build a portfolio and then present it to your clients and see what you can do with it. If the sample edits you have in your portfolio, all these skill sets used and all the kinds of transitions and effects and filters and the emotion you bring through the edit matches what they want from an editor, then you might be hired. So yes, obviously you can make money as a video editor in 2025, but only if you stay consistent, continue to learn, and mainly actually start. If you want to improve your video editing skill set quickly, especially if you're a beginner, make sure to check out my CapCut tutorials. All of that is in one playlist so you don't struggle finding all these videos. These videos will help you to become an intermediate or maybe even a professional video editor in CapCut. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you don't miss out on next videos, like this video, and I'll see you next time, and take care. And by the way, this is a Casio watch, not a Rolex.